and 8 females. Alright, if you look closely, alright, there are 7 of them which are slightly smaller than the others. Now those were only born in October last year. But as you can see, they grow really fast. Alright, that group of 7. Now in order to differentiate them, alright, they actually all have different markings on their fur coats. Okay, so how we people differentiate them is by taking note of these little markings. Some of them also have markings on their tails. Alright, so if you're looking to differentiate them, okay, you have to observe them for quite a while because they do have a lot of different markings. And they are highly social creatures. Okay, that's why they live in a large pack like this. But they do take care of one another really well. Okay, in a sense that no one is left hungry at the end of the day. So what happens is that, especially in the wild, when they go out hunting, the healthier, the fit dogs will actually go out hunting, leaving the injured or the sick ones behind. Okay, so usually what will happen is that they go over all the food and they come back to this dog and regurgitate all the food that they have eaten so that this dog is able to